In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate CoinMarketCap to find key information about your favorite cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your crypto journey, understanding these stats is crucial to making informed decisions. First, we'll start by opening CoinMarketCap, a fundamental resource for anyone interested in cryptocurrencies. It's a platform that provides a comprehensive overview of the current state of the crypto market, with detailed information about various coins and tokens. Once you've landed on the CoinMarketCap homepage, you'll notice a search bar prominently located at the top of the page. This is where you can type in the name of the coin you're interested in. Today, let's use Bitcoin as our example, since it's one of the most popular and widely discussed cryptocurrencies. Simply type Bitcoin into the search bar and press Enter. This will take you directly to Bitcoin's detailed page. Now that you're on the coin's dedicated page, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the wealth of information available. Don't worry, for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the statistics or info box, typically located on the right side of the page when you're using a desktop. This box is a treasure trove of information, but it's easy to navigate once you know what to look for. Here, you'll find several key statistics, the first of which is the circulating supply. This number tells you how many coins are actively circulating in the market or made available to the public. Understanding this can offer insights into the coin's availability, as well as its scarcity, which is a significant factor in determining its market value. Next, you'll see the max supply. This figure is the total number of coins that will ever exist for that particular cryptocurrency. For Bitcoin, this is capped at 21 million, making it a deflationary asset. Knowing this number can help you understand the long-term potential of the coin as more and more coins get mined, affecting its rarity and value. Finally, there's the total supply. This is the number of coins that have been minted or created so far. It's important to note that not all of these coins may be in circulation, as they might be held by the founders, investors, or locked for a specific duration. This can offer further insight into the coin's distribution and market dynamics. If at any point you find yourself wanting to explore these concepts further, don't hesitate to click on Read More. This will expand the section, providing a deeper dive into the intricacies of these metrics. Understanding these key statistics will not only enhance your grasp of individual cryptocurrencies, but also sharpen your overall market analysis skills. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to navigate the dynamic and exciting world of cryptocurrency investments. Happy investing!